Now the next topic is beta distribution. So in the beta distributions we have two kinds of beta distribution, that is one first kind and the second kind. So we are discussing now beta distribution of first kind. So the definition of beta distribution of first kind is a continuous random variable x in the interval 0, 1 has the PDF probability density function f of x is equals to 1 by beta of m comma n into x to the power of m minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1, where x lies between 0 to 1 is called beta distribution of first kind with the parameters m comma n. Parameters here m comma n. It is usually denoted by x follows beta 1 of m comma n. So this is beta distribution of first kind definition. So now beta integral is integration of f of x dx is equals to 1. F of x dx is equals to 1, then integration of what is f of x, 1 by beta of m comma n into x to the power of m minus 1, 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx is equals to 1. So is going that side, so it will remain 0 to 1 the limits. X to the power of m minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx is equals to beta of m comma n. So this is the beta integral. So the beta of m comma n means it is the formula of gamma of m into gamma of n by gamma of m plus n. So this is the formula of beta of m comma n in the form of gamma. So this is the beta integral. Now we need to find the moments. So now we need to find the moments. So first we need to find the rth moment about origin, that is expectation of x power r, that equals to integration of x power r into f of x dx. So that is equals to x power r into f of x dx means f of x means 1 by beta of m comma n into x to the power of m minus 1, 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx, right? So where the limits are 0 to 1, now this one is a constant value, write it outside, beta of m comma n integration of, so here both the x terms are there, so bases are same, so we need to add powers. So m plus r minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx, where the limits are 0 to 1. Now this is look like the beta integral in the formation of beta integral, so which is x to the power of m minus 1, 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx equal to beta of m comma n. So here in the place of m we are having m plus r. So the formula can be formed as, so here this total term can be formalized. In the place of m we are having m plus r, so beta of m plus r comma here same n minus 1, n minus 1, so means here n, so here also n. So this is the rth moment about origin. So now next we need to find, simply substituting r is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, we get the non-central moments. So the rth moment is 1 by beta of m comma n into beta of m plus r comma n. So our formula is beta of m comma n is gamma of m into gamma of n by gamma of m plus n. So expand this in this form. So first beta of m plus r comma n. So in place of m plus r is there. So gamma of m plus r into gamma of n divided by gamma of m plus r plus n. So this is numerator term, and also divided by beta of m comma n means, so this formula gamma of m into gamma of n by gamma of m plus n. So here this divided should be going reciprocal, so it will become, so gamma of m plus r into gamma of n divided by gamma of m plus r m plus n plus r into gamma of m plus n divided by gamma of m into gamma of n. So this is the earth movement. So here now we need to substitute r is equals to 1. We get the first non-central moment, that is equals to gamma of m plus 1. So here we are going gamma of n, gamma of n is there, so we need to get cancelled, right? So remaining only here gamma of m plus r into gamma of m plus n divided by gamma of m plus n plus r into gamma of m. So substitute here gamma of m plus 1 into gamma of m plus n by here gamma of m plus n plus 1 into gamma of m. So whenever a gamma consisting the integer value, any number value, so we need to write it like this. It can be written as m plus 1 minus 1 into gamma of m plus 1 minus 1. So subtract 1 from the within the bracket term and again the gamma term. So within the bracket term is m plus 1, so subtract here minus 1 means m plus 1 minus 1 into gamma of m plus 1 minus 1, right? So remaining here gamma of m plus n. So this term is as it is divided by, so here also one integer value is there, so again we need to subtract this one. So m plus n minus 1 minus 1, sorry, plus 1 minus 1 into gamma of m plus n plus 1 minus 1 into gamma of m. So here plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, so the remaining terms are here. So m plus 1 minus means remaining only here m, gamma of m, gamma of m plus n. So divided by here remaining 1 gets cancelled, m plus n into gamma of m plus n into gamma of m. So gamma of m plus n, gamma of m plus n, gamma of m is gets cancelled, so the remaining term is m by m plus n. So this is first non-central moment or mean of beta first kind. So next substitute r is equals to 2, get mu 2 dash is equals to gamma of, in place of r substitute 2 m plus 2 into gamma of m plus n divided by gamma of m plus n plus 2 of gamma m. So here the integer value is 2, so we need to subtract 1 in this one. So m plus 2 minus 1, m plus 2 minus 1 into gamma of m plus 2 minus 1 into gamma of m plus n divided by, here also integer value is consisting there. So m plus n plus 2 minus 1 into gamma of m plus n plus 2 minus 1 into gamma of m. Okay, so now 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 means only remaining 1 is that. So that is m plus 1 m plus 1 into gamma of m plus 1 into gamma of m plus n divided by here m plus n plus 1 gamma of m plus n plus 1 into gamma of m. So again we are having one integer value here. Here one integer value there, one is again integer value. So again we need to subtract minus 1. So this one is same as it is m plus 1, and so here we need to subtract this one. So m plus 1 minus 1 gamma of m plus 1 minus 1 m plus 1 minus 1 into gamma of m plus m. So divided by, so here also consisting 1, so this is first term is same as it is, so here we are subtracting 1. So this one is same, first m plus n plus 1 is same, so now here we need to subtract 1. So m plus n plus 1 minus 1 gamma of m plus n minus 1 m plus 1 minus 1 into gamma of m. Okay, so here plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 all are gets cancelled, so the remaining term is here, that is equals to m plus 1, and here plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, so remaining m. So here gamma of m into gamma of m plus n, so divided by here m plus n plus 1 into m plus n into gamma of m plus n into gamma of m. So gamma of m, gamma of m, gamma of m plus 1, gamma of m plus n is gets cancelled, so the remaining one is m into m plus 1 divided by m plus n into m plus n plus 1. So this is mu2 dash. This is second non-central movement. Similarly, when r is equal to 3, when you substitute, we get the value of mu3 dash, and when r is equal to 4, we get the mu4 dash value. These values we are getting third non-central, fourth non-central movement. Then next we need to substitute, we need to find the central movements. That is, the first one is mu2, that is also known as variance. The formula is mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. So that is equals to mu2 dash. What is mu2 dash? M into m plus 1 by m plus n into m plus n plus 1 minus mu1 dash. So mu1 dash is m by m plus n. So m by m plus n, a square is a square. So here the common term is we are having m by m plus n, so take it outside. M by m plus n is taken as outside, so remaining is m plus 1 by m plus n plus 1 minus, here remaining only one term, m by m plus n. Okay, so take the LCM here. M by m plus n is outside, so here the common, so the LCM is m plus n into m plus n plus 1. So multiplying here this one, m plus 1 into m plus n minus m into, this one is cross multiplication, m plus n plus 1. So multiply inside this, so you get m by m plus n of, so m into m square m into n plus mn plus 1 into m plus 1 into n minus here m square minus mn minus m by m plus n into m plus n plus 1. So here plus m square minus m square gets cancelled, plus mn minus mn plus m minus m, so only a remaining n. So the remaining term is m into n divided by, so here this term going, that's inside, so multiply m into n, mn by m plus n into this one is going m plus n, m plus n into m plus n is whole square m plus n plus 1. So this is mu2, that means variance. So variance of beta second kind is mn by m plus n whole square into m plus n plus 1. So mu3, so in the mu3 formula, mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 into mu1 dash whole power 3. So when you substitute these non-central moments in this formula, you get the third central moments and as well as fourth central moments. So using these all moments, we need to find skewness and kurtosis. So you will get the values of skewness and kurtosis. So the next topic is harmonic mean of beta distribution of first kind. So harmonic mean, so 1 by h is equals to integration of 1 by x f of x dx, where the limits are 0 to 1. So integration of 1 by x into 1 by beta of m comma n into x to the power of m minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx. So limits are 0 to 1. So that is equal to the constant values outside 1 by beta of m comma n integration of, so here x inverse x to the power of m minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx. So now 1 by beta of m comma n x inverse, the bases are same, so power should be added. So m minus 1 minus 1, so 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx. So now this is look like the gamma, the beta integral, which is, so integration of x to the power of m minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of n minus 1 dx is equals to beta of m comma n. So in place of m we are having m minus 1. So the formula we should get beta of m comma n. So the formula here, in place of m what we are having m minus 1 comma n. So now beta of m minus 1 comma n by beta of m comma n. So this is, now expand this formula that we use the form of gamma. So gamma of m minus 1, gamma of m minus 1 into gamma of n divided by gamma of m minus 1 plus n, right? So again whole divided by this term gamma of m into gamma of n by gamma of m plus n, right? So now this is going that side reciprocal, it will going upside. So that is equals to gamma of m minus 1 into gamma of n divided by gamma of m plus n minus 1 into, so going that side, so gamma of m plus n divided by gamma of m into gamma of n, gamma of n. So gamma of n gets cancelled, so the remaining value is here gamma of m minus 1 into gamma of m plus n divided by gamma of m plus n minus 1 into gamma of m. So this is the remaining table. So now gamma of, so here integer value is there. So integer value means, but integer value is there, but it is in the sign of negative, minus sign is there. So we cannot use the formula, that is gamma of n plus 1 is equals to n plus 1 minus 1 of gamma of n plus 1 minus 1. So whenever we are having only positive sign, we can use this formula. So but here having minus sign, so in that time we should add here m plus n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so here also gamma of m plus n minus 1, gamma of m minus 1 plus 1. So we are adding plus 1 minus 1 here. So now next, so here now gamma of m plus n minus 1 is, this term is n plus 1. So gamma of n plus 1 form. So we should use this formula. Similar for this one, m minus 1 means n, right? So n plus 1, gamma of n plus 1. So use this formula for expanding. So gamma of m minus 1. So here m plus n minus 1 is the nth term minus 1, right? So minus 1, sorry, m plus n minus 1 minus, sorry, plus 1 minus 1. What is the formula? n plus 1 minus 1. So here n value is m plus n minus 1, m plus n minus 1. So plus 1, again we are doing minus 1, right? So gamma of, similarly, m plus n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So divided by, so gamma of m plus n minus 1, similar, same as it is here, m minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 into gamma of m minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So here plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So the remaining terms are, so m plus n minus 1. So here 1 gets cancelled. Gamma of m plus n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So divided by gamma of m plus n minus 1 into, so here plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, that is m minus 1 remaining. So gamma of m minus 1 is remaining. So plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So gamma of m minus 1, gamma of m minus 1, gamma of m plus n minus 1, gamma of n plus m minus 1 gets cancelled. So the remaining values are m plus n minus 1 by m minus 1. So this is the harmonic mean, that means 1 by h. So h is equals to, it will be reciprocal m minus 1 by m plus n minus 1. So this is therefore the harmonic mean of beta distribution of first kind.